What is your name?
My name is Lily Septiana Dewi.
How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings, 1 little brother and 1 little sister.
Okay, where do you come from?
I am from Tegal, Java of Indonesia.
What is your last education?
My last education is senior high school.
What is your weight?
My weight is 80 kg.
What is your height?
My height is 170 cm.
Can you cook pork?
I can cook pork, but I cannot eat pork because I am Muslim.
Do you have any experience?
Yes, I have experience work in Tegal for 3 years as caregiver.
What do you do?
Take care elderly, bring shower, feeding, wipe body, change diapers, bring exercise, push wheelchair, every morning bring grandparent under the sun, carry grandparent on the wheelchair, check temperature.
Okay, what job you can do?
I can take care elderly, I can take care children, I can take care dog and cat, feeding, wipe body, change diapers, push wheelchair, give medicine, housekeeping, cook simple food, ironing.
Why you want to go to Singapore?
I want to work in Singapore because I want to earn money for myself and my future.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.